Hi, my name is Ishan Gwal and I am a final year Beta Computer Science student at Bennett University. In our final semester, we were given an option to choose research development project or industrial internship. As internships play an important role in the overall learning experience of a student and help them gain practical industrial level experience as well as technical and personal skills that are crucial for working with an organization. 2020 and 21 have been challenging years for all the people across the globe. Movement restrictions and country level lockdown are normal amidst the COVID 19 pandemic. Being at home, I spend my time working as a Flutter developer intern at North Star Innovations.
North Star Innovation LLP is a limited liability partnership firm incorporated on 21st June 2020. It is registered at the Registrar of Companies Mumbai. It suggests the brightest solution for all the technology needs, working across a vast domain of technologies and providing the best customer services which make it one of the most sought after choices out there. It offers complete solution to help grow your business online. Some of the services provided by North Star Innovation are web development, app development, startup growth, AI and automation, digital marketing, and blockchain.
My internship at North Star Innovation started on 18 January 2021. The initial phase of the internship involved a brief induction period in which our mentors explained the culture of organization and conveyed their expectation from the interns. After the induction period, we were asked to get familiar with the tech stack and the code base we were going to work. During the first month of the internship, I learned about Flutter framework and Dart programming language. I created mini projects to get a hands-on experience and a better understanding of Flutter concepts. In the later months, I mainly worked on the bugs and improvements in the application and improved the overall experience of the application. North Star Innovation turned out to be a wonderful place to work. The best part about the North Star Innovation was the flexibility and independence they offered. Our mentors were very friendly, supportive, and accommodating throughout the course of internship. My overall experience was very positive with the organization, and it was joy working for them. At North Star Innovation, I worked on the Chalo application. It is basically a Flutter application. In our day to day lives, we have made ourselves too busy, and this reflects on our mental and physical health. Many people around the world want to enjoy fun activities with their friends, but they aren't able to do so due to unavailability of time or group of friends with same interests. This application will help users to connect and plan activities with similar interests. The application will recommend activities to nearby users. They will also be able to create events and plan different activities such as cycling, trekking, biking, bird watching, etc., to which other users can apply and join them. Activity participants will be able to connect and chat among themselves, and they can share their experiences with the users and followers. The application is still in development and will be launched soon. By working on this application, I learned how to do Flutter development with Dart as a primary language. The Flutter application has many features for users such as scheduling an activity, group chat and video call with participants, social media wall, and many other features. I implemented and improved many features of this app as a part of this internship, including user authentication and authorization, creating activity and its execution, solving major and minor bugs in the application. I worked with the Firebase to implement database and storage features inside the application. The Flutter app uses the following stack: the Flutter, Dart, Firebase, Laravel, PHP, and MongoDB. Laravel for backend API and MongoDB for database. Firebase is used to implement authentication of users and sending notifications using Firebase Cloud Functions. The primary language used for development is Dart, which is used to build Flutter application. For version control, we used GitLab. This internship has helped me gain a lot of skills in app development, and working at a startup has gave me opportunity to explore a lot of non-tech skills as well. I also learned how to work with web and mobile development technologies. Testing edge cases, identifying bugs, and solving possible breakpoints are some of the areas that I worked on during my internship. This internship has given me the opportunity to showcase my skills that I learned during my computer science program, and I will continue to learn new things every day. Our platform will soon be rolled out to the users, and we are hoping to make an impact in social well-being space. I would like to thank everyone at Northstar Innovations for their support. I would like to thank Ali Asghar Haji, CEO Northstar Innovations, for giving me the internship opportunity, and my mentors Priyam Shah and Hussain Lokhandwala for guiding me throughout the internship.